Okay, we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. So let's take a look at number one. Number one, we have 3 halves plus 5 6 minus 3 fourths. We're going to look for the common denominator, so I'm going to write down some of the multiples for each denominator. So for the 2 time tables, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 time tables, we have 6, 12, 18, and 24. And the 4 time tables, we have 4, 8, 12, and 16. All right, this is for what they have in common. Let's see here. I'm seeing a common 12 here between these two guys. So if I had a 12 here, I think that'll be in order. So already I'm finding commonality here and here, so I'm going to keep this going until I get more commonality. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we have commonality with the multiples. 12 here, 12 here, and 12 there. Okay. So in the 2 time tables, the multiplier for to get to 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we say times 6 times 6. For the 6 time tables, the multiplier for 12 is 1, 2. It's 2. So times 2 times 2. For the 4 time tables, to get to 12, the multiplier is 1, 2, 3. So it's times 3. So let's rebuild our fractions. Okay, and we're going to multiply 3 times 6, 2 times 6, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 3 times 3, and 4 times 3. We'll get 18, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12. Okay. Now from here, I'm going to add 18 and 10. That's going to give me 28. And then I'm going to subtract 9. That should give me 19, I believe. Yeah, 19. 19 over 12. And we're finished. On 3 and 4, we're starting off with mixed numbers. We're going to convert these mixed numbers into impropers by doing a multiplication and adding. So, multiplication and adding. Multiplication and adding. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So that's 10. Keep the denominator 3. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So it's 5 over 2. Keep the denominator. Now I notice from here, okay, let's put this together. Let's do 10 times 5 and 3 times 2. And I can see already that the 10 and the 2 can be divided by 2, but I'm not going to bother it yet. Just going to go ahead and multiply. But we'll keep in mind, division of 2 can happen. So 10 times 5, that's 50. 3 times 2, that's 6. And now that I know that I can divide everything by 2, I do it. And 50 over 6 becomes 25 over 3. Okay. All right, once again, with the division, we're going to convert these mixed numbers here into improper fractions by using multiplication and adding. Okay. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. And keep the denominator 3. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. You keep the denominator 2. Okay. From here, we're going to do a keep, change, and flip in order to change the division into multiplication. So we'll have 10 over 3 times 2 over 5. And when I put these together, I'm going to have 5 times the 2 and 3 times the 5. Now at this stage, I can see in the numerator and denominator, the 10 and the 5 can both be divided by 5. I'll wait on divided by 5, but I have my clue right now what can be done. So let's go ahead and put them together. 2 times 5 is 20. 3 times 5 is 15. And now I will take my division 5, both these, divide by 5, divide by 5. And my fraction simplifies to a 4 over 3.